So I recently just like became obsessed with these pants or shorts, any kind of waistband that has these tab adjusters on them rather than a belt, and it's kind of amazing. I was gonna do a little bit of a DIY where there's two things you can do. You can either move the buttons or you can create more buttonholes in the tab to make it tighter or looser. I guess you can also move the buttons somewhere else. But these kind of pants are awesome. These ones are like trousers, like work trousers. They're 100% wool. But I've also found that like they're also on these Adidas shorts that I have, where they have this waistband and they have these tabs too. But the difference is the whole back waistband part that's within the tunnel is elastic in these Adidas shorts. And in these pants, the whole waistband part that goes all the way through is woven, is the self fabric instead of elastic. But I've found that this kind of adjustable trousers, like rather than belt loops, is more common, I think, with menswear, like men's suiting, trousers and suiting. But I'm trying to find it more on women's wear, because I'm kind of loving the concept of like this strip of fabric that goes through a tunnel and it's adjustable on the sides. So I did one side already where these pants are quite large on me, and the waist is huge. So I already did one side where I moved the button. So it comes with two buttons, and I already moved. So the buttons were here and here, and I took the button that was further away and I moved it more towards the front to make it tighter. So I was just going to do that to the other side as well. I haven't done it to this side yet. So this button, I'm going to move this button in front of the other button here so that I can get this tighter. Yeah, so you can see like the normal waistband is very loose on me. This is like the normal. It's way too loose. So yeah, I'm going to do that. And I'm going to show some other options of like where you can find these pants. Like I found a pair of another pair of pant trousers on Theory. Theory had a pair. A few other brands that I'll show below then. Right here on this tab, I'm going to just move this button here so it's more towards the front so the pants get a little bit tighter. I'm just going to remove this button. Oh, this is great. So on the other side, this happened too, where I could actually salvage enough thread to actually sew the button back on. The color of this pant is like really unique, so it's actually really nice if you can keep the thread to re-sew the button back on. So luckily it comes off with like a pretty long piece, so that's awesome. Okay, so I removed the button from about right here. You can kind of see where the thread's coming out, which is more towards the back. It's closer to the tab, and I moved it towards the front. So the waistband of the pants is going to be able to be a lot tighter, which I'm excited about. I actually really like the concept of getting pants that are a little bit too big and kind of just like snatching in the waist. This is a really great way. I guess either a belt could work as well if you have belt loops, but it's just really comfortable. It's nice to have like a comfortable loose pair of pants, but to have a snatched waist that looks, I feel like the fit looks really good, but then they're still really comfortable because they're like flowy and loose. It's kind of a nice contrast of a tight waist and a loose pant, like loose hip and loose leg. So these are the finished pants. You can see that I added the, this is the extra button I added towards the front here and here, this one, so that the waistband can get tighter. So I'll take this tab and it'll be buttoned more towards the front basically on both sides. So it creates a little bit of like buckling or wrinkling. We'll see, because I'm doing more than I think you're supposed to do with these types of pants. It just brings in the waist a little bit more, so yeah. I'm trying to get away from wearing jeans, so I'm really liking trousers right now, and I'm loving that you can find this like waist tab detail on trousers. I I'd love to find this on jeans too, but I kind of just don't want to wear jeans anymore. Yeah, it's a little too pulled in, but I don't know, I gotta figure out how to make it lay kind of flat. But honestly, I usually wear bigger shirts on top that kind of sit over top of it, so it's not too bad. But yeah, that's the finished pants. I'm loving these. I'm loving the waist tab trousers. I think it's my new look. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. I know it's been a while. I've been away for a little while enjoying life and taking a break from YouTube, but I'm glad to be back right now and creating more fun videos. Hopefully taking it less seriously, but still making some fun content and stuff like that. I'll see you guys later.